Hello viewers, welcome to Speed Math Techniques with Jikku and Jikku. In this episode of Speed Math Methods, we are going to see how to multiply numbers that are near to 50. So Jikku is going to take us through this technique and she is going to explain really simple methods and steps for us to multiply numbers near to 50. So we are going to see 3 examples in this episode. In each of the examples, we are going to present you with 4 steps, and in the 4 steps, you will be taken through how to find the answers for multiplying numbers near to 50. So the first step in multiplying 46 times 47 is to identify the working base. If you look at the number 46 and 47, these numbers are closer to 50. So we are going to use 50 as our working base. That completes our step 1. Now if you can see the screen, the working base is denoted with a green star. So wherever you see green star, it denotes the working base. The second step in the process is to subtract the numbers 46 and 47 from the working base. Let's take 46 first. 46 minus 50 equals minus 4. We now repeat the same step for the number 47. 47 minus 50 equals minus 3. So we put a minus 3 next to 47 and a minus 4 next to 46. That completes our step 2. We now proceed to step 3, which is to multiply and cross add. There are 2 different steps that you need to perform in this step. The first part is to multiply the numbers minus 4 and minus 3. So when you multiply minus 4 and minus 3, you get 12. The second part is to cross add 46 and minus 3 or 47 and minus 4. In either of these cases, you get 43. The 43 denotes the number of tens in our answer and 12 denotes the number of ones in our answer. So that completes our step 3. We now proceed to the last step where we will resolve the 43 and 12 and get our final answer. To begin with, we take the number 43 and you have to multiply that number by 50, which is our working base. 43 times 50 equals 2150 or 215 tens. So we write 215 tens on the left side and we leave the 12 ones untouched. And to get to the final answer, we add the 12 to 215 tens or 2150 plus 12. That gives 2162 as the answer. So the final answer in 46 times 47 is 2162. So that completes the first example. A really easy way of multiplying numbers near to 50. To help you understand this in a bit more detail, we will provide you 2 more examples which will make it very clearer for you. So this time we are going to multiply 48 times 57. Step 1 is exactly same as before. the numbers 48 and 57 are closer to 50, so we are going to use 50 as our working base. That completes step 1. In step 2, we are going to subtract the numbers 48 and 57 from our working base. So if you take 48 minus 50 equals minus 2. 57 minus 50 equals 7. So that's the end of step 2. Step 3, we have to multiply and cross add like before. 48 minus 2, 57 and 7. To begin with, we will multiply minus 2 and 7. Minus 2 times 7 is minus 14. We now cross add 48 and 7 or 57 and minus 2. In both the cases, we get 55. Like how we did in the first example, 55 is the number of tens and minus 14 is the number of ones in our answer. So that completes step 3. We now proceed to the final answer step, the last of the steps, and in this one we take the number 55 and multiply that with our working base 50. We get 2750 or 275 tens. So we write 275 on the left and minus 14 on the right. Now when you want to combine them together, you subtract 14 from 2750. 2750 minus 14 gives you 2736. That's our final answer. Product of 48 and 57 is 2736. Finally, we are going to see another example where the numbers that we are going to take are located above 50. As an example, let's take 56 times 58. The first step is same as how you did in the previous two cases. The numbers 56 and 58 are near to 50. We will use 50 as our working base. In step 2, we are going to subtract 56 and 58 from the working base. For 56, you have 56 minus 50, which is 6, and 58 minus 50 equals 8. So we will write 6 and 8 next to 56 and 58. That completes step 2. In step 3, we are going to multiply and cross add. We have 56 and 6 and 58 and 8. 6 times 8 equals 48. 56 plus 8 or 58 plus 6 gives 64. 64 denotes the total number of tens and 48 denotes the total number of ones in our answer. That completes step 3. Finally, we get to the final answer step. Like before, we take the number 64, we multiply that by 50, we get 3200, which is same as 320 tens. So we put 320 on the left, 48 ones to the right. To combine these two, we add 48 to 3200. So the final answer becomes 3248. 56 times 58 is 3248. Okay, so now you can help Suku, who is trying to catch up with Jikku on this technique. So he got 4 questions on the board: 41 times 47, 51 times 56, 45 times 55, and 48 times 52. If you have followed the previous steps, you can do this by yourself and post the answer in the comment section. That will help Jikku to learn the same technique like how you have learnt. Thank you for watching this video, and please stay connected with our channel by subscribing to this channel and click on the notification bell icon so you can see our videos as and when they are posted. Thank you, viewers.